Hey guys, I wanted to show you a sheet bend. It's a technique I'm using for elastic bands. It's a lot of origins that call it a common bend. I do a lot of knots. I do a lot of lobster fishing in the spring, so this is the procedure. I just want to show you how it's done. So just, and it's fast too. So anyways, you do a loop like so, okay, and your elastic, and it's the cheapest option. And you bring in a really good fishing rope. This one's used for lobster traps, so it's pretty rugged. You wrap it around once like this. I'll show you here. You go through and around, then come back through the loop right like this, and it's called a sheet bend. And you pull. You can see the nice, doesn't take long at all. I was trying to find the quickest way to, and if you look, it's not moving. It's moving. Then you trim the ends and you're good. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you my backing technique. I was looking online for other versions, but they're too cheap, and this gives a nice, you go with a little wider, got a little wider band too, that's a bit better. Thicker if you want to go that route too. It's a little wider, but works well with irregular type rope. The sheet bend. Take care. Bye now.